Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is the GM certified 2017 Chevy Traverse LT all-wheel drive. Stock number Z7940XX. 18,000 miles on this one owner. Comes to us with a clean auto check history report, Summit white in color. To be GM certified, a vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper-to-bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper-to-bumper warranty and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Traverse is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 8 with a cloth interior. Rear heat and air controls to make sure everyone's comfortable. Middle row seats fold flat for additional cargo space, as well as tilt and slide forward, making it easy to get to the third row. That also seats 3. Backup camera, along with rear parking sensors for additional safety. Ample storage behind the third row. 60/40 split seat. Folds flat easily, give you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers, with additional underfloor storage. And very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, power driver's seat, along with the tilt and telescopic steering wheel to put you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio controls. Large touchscreen infotainment system. For radio. It's also satellite radio capable. And backup camera display. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Lots of storage space in the center console. Large glove box with all the owner's materials and even more storage in the upper dash. Under the hood, this Traverse has a 3.6-liter direct injection V6, 281 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. EPA fuel economy estimates an average of 15 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 22 on the highway. New brakes and approximately 65% of tire tread left. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan.Auto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. Sheboyganautos.com.